Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to speed up your work using Notion. To the full step-by-step guide for 2026, Notion is already a powerful tool, but once you learn a few tips and tricks, you can organize, create, and navigate way faster. So yeah, let's dive in. First, use templates to save time. Notion has built-in templates for project management, class notes, or weekly planners. Instead of starting from scratch, pick a template and customize it to your needs. You can also create your own template from pages you've already built. Perfect for recurring projects. Next, master shortcuts. Using keyboard shortcuts for headings, lists, to-dos, and navigation can cut down clicks drastically. For example, Ctrl+N/CMD+N creates a new page. Ctrl+Shift+A/CMD+Shift+A adds a new block. And Ctrl+B/CMD+B bolds text instantly. The more shortcuts you memorize, the faster your workflow becomes. Third, leverage linked databases and relations. Instead of duplicating content across pages, link items from one database to another. This saves editing time because changes automatically sync. Filters and views also help you focus only on what's important, so you're not scrolling through unnecessary tasks. Another tip is keyboard navigation. Press Ctrl+P/Command+P to quickly jump to any page, or use Command/Control plus left bracket and right bracket to go back and forth between pages. Using the search bar efficiently and keeping pages well organized makes everything faster. Also, use drag and drop and multi-select blocks. You can move multiple items at once or reorder your content quickly, which is way faster than editing blocks one by one. Finally, consider automation and recurring tasks. While Notion doesn't automate everything natively, using recurring templates, synced calendars, and pre-made checklists can save a ton of time. So yeah, that's the full guide to speeding up work using Notion in 2026. Once you combine templates, shortcuts, linked databases, and efficient navigation, your productivity skyrockets. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.